Disable automatic program startup. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this one, I'll show you how to disable programs that auto-start with Windows. It's a quick and easy process, folks. Enjoy these types of videos? We've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful content. Alright, let's get started. It's pretty quick. In Windows, click the search bar and type msconfig. That's msconfig. Click Open under System Configuration. You'll see a tab labeled Startup Programs. Click Task Manager to open it. Then click on Startup, folks. It shows all programs set to start automatically. So you'll choose which programs you don't want to start automatically. For example, with Skype, you'd select it and click Disable here. This shows the program's impact on startup time. Like Microsoft OneDrive here, it's enabled and slowing down startups. So I'm going to disable it. I'll also disable Edge. Google Chrome too. Keep selecting programs you don't want to start up. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.